In this quick video guide, we're going to explore a Wombo Dream AI art generator, which is a app that we can use on the web. And this one here is a web page, but you can use it on tablet or any device. I'm gonna show it in the smartphone right now. We created another video where we showed how to use this on the web on any computer. So in this case, we're going to go into Google Play and we're going to install it in our smartphone. And so we can use it also in here. So I'm going to look for it here on the search bar in Google Play, click on install and accept because it will ask you to put your password. And once you're finished, you'll be ready to go. Now, this is in Italian right here, but it's just Google Play, so it's pretty simple to understand. And I'm just gonna wait here for the app to be downloaded and then I'm gonna open it up and there it is. So let's get started. And first it's gonna show some ads and then it's gonna show you some features that like are pretty entertaining, like this one here. So you can try this artificial intelligence new tool and you can create an account and you can join, or you can just try the app without creating an account. Once you have the account, you can also publish and share your work. So I'm just gonna go try it. And also you have a premium version, a premium account if you want, with extra benefits and other really important features. If you want to use this professionally, we're just gonna have a play here. And since it's Halloween, I want to create something about Halloween. So down here you have styles. You can choose among so many different styles. Some of these are photorealistic, some are more like for sketches or drawings, and just give it a moment for them to load. And there it is. You have tattoo, you have graphics, illustration, stickers, 3D effects, robots, horror, fantasy, etc., etc. So you have a lot of those you can pick from. I'm just gonna go with something horror again. I want to do something for Halloween, and I'm gonna go with, let me see here. And also some of these are not available. Some of these are for the premium version. So I saw something horror here somewhere, or something, more dark. There you go. Well, actually, I'm going to go with this festive V3. And now I need to prompt some text. So I need to write words. I have 350 characters I can put. And this will, you need to describe what you have in mind. Your artistic vision could be your dream, could be your idea for an exam, for a party, whatever you want. And then just type what you have in mind. I want to do something with the Halloween pumpkin, and maybe I want to do like a rocker. So, and I'm gonna type some other details. Well, the more you are descriptive, the better it is. The more you describe the the things you have in mind, the better the AI will result. So try to be specific. At the beginning, you can just try, if you're like brainstorming, you are kind of generating references, you don't really know what to do, you can just, be more generic, and then you can go and specify, like for example, the clothing, leather jacket. And there it is. So this is pretty cool. It reminds me of Halloween in the colors. And well, so I can now publish this, I can share it, I can add a title, and I can choose to show the prompt that I used to generate this, or I can just delete and go back. I don't want to turn on notifications right now. And this is the home page apparently. So I can see some of the community artworks from here, and again get some inspirations for what I want to create. Check out the styles, the prompt, etc. I don't want to create an account. I'm going to click on the plus, and I'm going to try with something else now. So we saw we can generate from text. Well, you also have another really interesting feature, actually two. One is for avatar. So you can select the image or photo and generate an avatar, or you can select an image or photo from the camera. Just take a picture from the camera and generate, again, your artificial intelligence variation. Now I have this like old graphic the sign of Batman. I'm gonna use this to generate something. You can change how much you want that image to influence the final artwork. So if it's minor, it's gonna, not gonna show up too much. If it's strong, it's gonna be pretty visible. Let's see something medium. And again, I'm gonna type here. You cannot see here, but I'm typing again. Pumping, rocker, playing guitar. So I need to be again specific, the more specific, and see if I get closer to what I have in mind. Of course, you don't know what I have in mind, but I don't really know either. Yeah, I'm just guessing that I want to see something, with these characteristics, and I want to let the artificial intelligence work for me, show me some results, and then I will decide if it's good enough, or I can then take it into a graphic design software and work by myself using Photoshop or Illustrator. So I'm gonna go with the first one here, Dreamland 3, and I don't want to purchase right now. I'm just gonna go forward with the free version, and I'm gonna say my consent here for the ads. So if you don't want the paid version, you need to, of course, see some ads. And again, we're creating and didn't do it. So I'm just gonna click on Retry, and there you go. So it showed me like the Batman. It wasn't really different. So it was pretty similar because I put strong. So try to decrease the intensity of the image. You can see that it's almost the same of the original image. Probably, yeah, it just put some guitar or something there, and it changed a little bit down there, but I'm not satisfied with this. I want something that it doesn't have to look like the original. So if you have premium version, you can also create variations of this, and you can see this bigger, etc. Now let me just decrease here to weak, and I'm gonna try again. Of course, do your test, change the style, see what fits for you, and it's once you understand how it works, it's really fast, really easy, and free. So there you go. This is something more, well, better, similar to what I had in mind. So if I like this, I can download it, click on the download button. And of course, you have, again, a premium version without the watermark, or the standard version with the watermark. And then I can publish and share, of course, and that's it. So I think it's, now everything you need to know. We can go back into prompt history. You can also choose different formats actually for Instagram or other social network. In this case, I choose Instagram. You can see that I have a square image, and that was like more like a cartoon illustration, things like that. So it's pretty easy. Just go there, play, and that will be it for this video guide. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, thank us, join the channel as a supporter. This will help us a lot to create more videos. And also you can check our other video courses and video guides in the channel about graphic design, about artificial intelligence, about many other topics. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.